What's up everyone, my name is Rishabh Gupta. Welcome to another jumper tutorial. This time I'll teach you cross step trick. So let's begin. To perform this trick, you just have to follow 5 simple steps. Step 1, you should know how to do basic jumps. While performing basic jumps, you should remember 3 important things. First one, that you should not jump too high. Second one, try to keep your hands close to your waist. And the third one, swing your rope using your wrist, not your hand. Moving on to the second step, we will practice single foot jumps. Single foot jumps are really important to improve the strength of your feet and will also help you to maintain balance and coordination. Let me show you how to perform single foot jumps. While performing single foot jumps, we'll start with the basic jumps and we'll just lift our foot like this. Practice this on both sides, and that's how you perform single foot jumps. In the third step, we are going to perform improvised single foot jumps. What I mean by that, most of the beginners, when they perform single foot jumps, they keep their feet aligned at a particular angle. Let me show you how it looks. Let's start with the basic jumps, and that's how they perform single foot jumps. What we have to do is we just have to align our feet in a straight line. That we will be able to perform quick transitions and other jumper tricks like boxer step. Let me show you how it looks when we align the foot in a straight line. Let's start with the basic jumps. Instead of doing this, we are going to align our feet in a straight line, and this way we'll be able to perform other jumper tricks like tapping on the ground. After practicing single foot jumps, in the fourth step, we'll create a rhythm. First of all, we are going to perform single foot jumps on our right foot 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then we'll tap our foot on the ground, and then we'll perform single foot jumps again on right foot 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then we'll switch our feet like this, and we'll repeat the same pattern. Let me show you how to do that. We'll start with the single foot jumps on our right foot. 1, 2, 3, tap on the ground. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, tap on the ground. 1, 2, 3, switch. Practice this pattern, create your own rhythm, and this way you will be able to learn any new jumper trick really fast, and you will avoid so many mistakes while learning any new jumper trick. Finally, in the fifth step, we are going to perform cross step trick. To do that, we are going to create a new rhythm. We'll start with the basic jumps and do it twice. 1, 2, cross our feet, keeping our right foot in the front direction, left foot in the backward direction, and jump twice. Uncross our feet and then jump again twice. And this time we are going to cross our feet, but our left foot will be in the front direction and right foot will be in the backward direction, and we'll jump twice and uncross our feet. Now we have to follow this pattern as many times as possible, so that unless we get the hang of it. Let me show you how to do that. Let's start with the basic jumps. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. After practicing this rhythm, we'll reduce the number of jumps from 2 to 1 and finally perform cross step trick. Let me show you how it looks. We'll start with the basic jumps and perform cross step trick. And that's how you perform cross step trick. Guys, I hope you find this video helpful. One of the best way to learn any new jumper trick is to break it down into simple steps, and this video does that. And that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.